like a pro, like a pro. Yeah, I'm trading like a pro, like a pro, like a pro. Taking profit like a pro,
like a pro. Time to let them know. Bank on the phone, no, I don't need a loan, cause I'm trading like a pro.
we getting paid, we getting paid, we getting paid, huh? Stacking that money from the trades, huh?
Ay, we getting paid, we getting paid, we getting paid. Stacking that money, I'ma teach you how to trade like a pro.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits, and thank you for tuning in to another video. For the last couple episodes of this series, Trade Like a Pro, we've been diving in to these, how to tell when the patterns are coming before they do, how to prepare, how to see it before it comes. You have to stay 1 and 2 steps ahead in this Forex market. It just has to be that way. You have to think like that. And I'm gonna continue to show you how to see the markets like a pro, how to execute and how to create these trade setups like a pro. I'm telling you, that's my goal, and I'm just so excited, and you guys are loving it. You guys are loving it. On my next episode, comment below. Let me know how this series has been helping you, if it's been helping you at all. I believe it is. I believe it's impacting you, and I believe it's going to help you be a pro trader, an independent trader, so you can get your time freedom back and start empowering people around you. That's my mission. All right. So today we're kind of moving away from the head and shoulder pattern. We did 2 episodes on that, so watch them if you want to learn how to really master the head and shoulders. But today we got a different type of trade setup on a different currency pair. I know you're gonna love this. Let's dive into the charts. All right, guys, here we are on the charts. Gold versus the United States dollar. And here we are. We're on the daily chart. That's all we need to really look at. My goal here is to just help you guys master this. Help you guys see through my eyes, like how I see the markets. And we're basically at this down here at this low structure level. This I was gonna call this a demand zone, but it's already been hit too many times. 1, 2, you got this one, and now we're down here. So this demand zone is now weakened, and a lot of orders have been picked up. But because of this, I want to say, because you saw this double bottom, when price came down here again, people wanted to get in, but it left a lot of people out. There were a lot of orders pent up in here. All right, a lot of orders up in this level right here. A lot of orders. All right, and a lot of them, unfortunately, didn't get picked up. All right, so a lot of them didn't get executed. So here we are coming down here again, picking up orders. Now, I'm not going to just assume that we're going to be buying from here, because that's an idiot move. But this is what they call it, a support zone, obviously. All right, and here's my game plan. You got to go to the daily chart so you can really get a sense of what's going on here. I do see this being an opportunity later on. This right here, and we're not too far away from that. That might be a next week situation right there. So I do like this opportunity right here, this trend line opportunity. Unfortunately, though, well, I don't know what this 50 is going to do. When we get there, you always stay a few steps ahead, but I don't know what this 50 is going to be when price decides to get up there. Hopefully the 50 would be right there. As price is breaking the trend line, the 50 is right there to get broken as well. But if the 50 is up here hovering as it breaks the trend line, we still got to trade with caution on the buy side for that trend line break. All right, but that's, I don't know how long away that is. So let's go down to the 4-hour chart. What I do want to look at is this peak right here down to this bottom. Okay, this is the golden zone. So I want to keep that golden zone there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep that visibility for the daily only. I don't want to go to the minutes, the hours, just the daily. All right, so I want to go down to the 1-hour chart. Refresh that. And here we are. So here's the day trading opportunity. that I want to get you guys to look at. Now, the swing trading opportunity was on the higher time frames. We'll look at that again. But look at this day trading opportunity. What I'm looking at here is price is at another resistance level right here on the shorter time frame. Right, you see that? So what I'm looking at is this. Go from this last high to this low point, and you can see price stopped at the golden zone like it does a lot of the times. All right, now I'm trying to build something here, because if price gets above here, I'm buying. Okay, if price gets above here, that means it will be above the 50. That's how I like the setup. I want you to pay attention on how I like to set up the trades. I let the trades come to me. If price break this 50, get up in here and retest and hold. Like I want to see like some type of candles like this, right? Holding outside of this. Boom. And that will validate my trend line break on a higher time frame. That will help me understand that one that I showed you on a daily chart. If that happens above this piece right here, some type of little doji candle retesting, and then we, pretty much taking off, that will give me the confidence to take that trade on the daily chart when it breaks that trend line. Because remember, it was swooping through here. It was sweeping through here. And that gives me an early entry. Because why? Because I'm seeing price holding at this golden zone for a while. All right, I don't want to move too fast for you guys. I really want you to get this, but this area is structured. This area is money. All right, so let's bring that back. Now that's the buy side. Now what are we going to do for the sell? So the last video I made you, episode, I forgot what episode it is, but I showed you that Head and Shoulders. All right. Well, see it before it comes. And I was really showing you that for like 2 videos straight. Well, now I want to show you that everything is not about Head and Shoulders. Everything is not about trend lines. Sometimes you got to know how to pull out these fibs. So here's all I'm really looking at here is this zone right here, this 50 to 618. That's really big. I'm okay with moving it even just half of that zone. All right, now let's delete this. Now, why do I got a 50 moving average right there? I mean, not a 50 moving average, but why do I have a golden zone right here? Well, now let's go down to a 30. Let's check out all our time frames. All right, we're underneath the 50 on the 30. Let's look at the 15. We're underneath the 50 on the 15. If it breaks this structured level, let's go back to the hour. If it breaks this structure level, we know we can sell here. So that's entries is around this level here down to up in here. That's 76 pips. On the chart, it says, let me move it over some. On the chart, it says 586, but you got to move the decimal over. So to the top is 38 pips. So my entry is looking like when it breaks this support level. When it breaks this support level, that's the way this one needs to be traded. There's no other way. Don't do anything fancy, creative. Like, it don't take all that. If it breaks this support level right here, simple stuff. My entry is here. My take profit is at this golden zone level. Boom. The first piece of it is 38 all the way down to that 70 pips. So that's what I'm looking for in the sell side. It's a beautiful thing, man. So we're going to track this. I'm going to keep this going. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to watch this. I'm going to come back to you when it moves. And I want you guys to just see how I maneuver these charts, how I see the market. Now, right now, you're looking at this like, oh, yeah, we'll see. But just wait. This market is going to move. There's no telling when this is going to move. This is gold. It moves when it want to move. But just stay tuned. I'm going to come back to you when this thing hit. In the meantime, I got a package that just came in. And I'm super excited. And I'm about to show y'all. Let's roll. Guys, you won't believe what's here. The package is here. It's like Christmas in July, man. Come check it out. Look, what's in this box? It's about to go down. It's about to go down, y'all. Oh my God. Ooh, the clubs is here. Look at them grips on that boy. That red and black. Yo, these are Strixon ZX5s.
You gotta take it out.
Let's go. Hold on. Be quiet. Hey, be quiet. Shh. Listen. Ooh.
Bro, you're supposed to do it fast now. Come on.
Look at these clubs, boy. Hold on, let me see. Look at these. So we got, and then look at this. We got the Cleveland RTX zip cores. Hold on. Ooh, look, listen to it. Hold on, listen to it. Come on close. Ooh. Now look at this. This is a 56. Look at this. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see all of, like, how deep these lines are? Can y'all see it a little bit? Look how deep them grooves is. And then look at this. Look at the texture right here. So every time, so what that means is when the ball hit here, it's gonna spin backwards. It's gonna spin backwards. Now let me get him a little swing. Okay. Watch out, Royal. Okay, give him a little swing here. You feel me? Oh yeah, that's right in the hole, baby. That's get in the hole. Let's go. It's going down. All right, guys. Here's the set. Here's the set right here. I got from pitching wedge all the way up to a 5-iron. It's beautiful. I did good, huh, mama? These are my wedges. I got a 56, a 52, and a 48. The 56 go like 60 to like 75 yards. I think 80, 60 to 80 yards. I can maneuver this one. And then this is about 85 to about 95. And then this 48 degree, as you can see right here, is backwards, but it's a 48 degree. This go 100 to 115. And I need that. And look at the shaft that I got on these boys. That dynamic gold spinner. That's a tour issue. You can see it. Tour issue. That dynamic gold spinner. Man, I'm about to go play golf right now, man. I'm so excited. I'm about to try these boys right now. And guys, I forgot to show y'all. We got a new bag. The Bag Boy Revolver XP. Oh, yeah. So they say use this for your putter, but I ain't gonna use this as my putter. I'm gonna use my putter right here. But I'm gonna use this as like an umbrella if I get caught in the rain out there or something. This bag's so cold. This bag got everything. Oh, look at all these pockets. If you a golfer, you know you need them pockets. I got a back massager I put in here. I got my tees, my balls, my gloves. Look at this. Pockets over here. Same amount of pockets on the other side, same over here. Now I'm about to throw these boys in. All right, guys, so everything is in the bag now, and this is called the Revolver. So when I go on a golf course and my caddy, he might be like, hey, Jay Wayne, what do you need, a 7, sir? Here you go, sir, a 7-iron. And I just take it out. Oh, you need a 5-iron, sir? Whip it around. Here's a 5-iron, Jay Wayne. You see what I'm saying? It's fire, look. All right, guys, and the last thing I want to show you right quick before we hit some balls, look at this. These right here, these little holes, is where the golf club can like lock into place instead of be bouncing all around in my bag. Check this out. You put it in there. Now look, here's the thing. When you put it in there, you just pull up and it's locked in. Look at this one for an example. All right, pull it in, push it, boom. Then pull up and it's locked in. So now look at all of them locked in now. This is locked in the hole, locked in. They ain't moving nowhere. So that's lit. So, all right, guys, we're gonna hit some balls, man. Show you how these boys are hitting. They fire. I went all the way to Cincinnati, Ohio, and I had some top-notch fitters they call 50 yards longer. And absolutely incredible. They got me right. You'll see. All right, guys, so while we're waiting for that trade to happen, got the new grips, got the new arms, and this is a 7. All right, so let's put this boy to work. see that? All right, I'm gonna hit another one for y'all. See if I can put some power on this. Oh yeah. 175, 196. 175 carry, roll out to 196 total, baby. So all right, y'all, that's what my swing is looking like right now with the arms. I'm loving these boys. Can't wait to take them out on the course. Maybe I'll show y'all that too, who knows. But we about to go check on the charts and see what that gold trade doing, baby. Cause I gotta have something to pay me back for these clubs. So let's make some money, let's go. All right, guys, and we are back in the lab. And gold finally moved. I think it's been 24 hours, guys. So let's dive into this chart. And here's the thing. Remember I was like, hey, this is price. If price gets to 1714, all right, then we're looking to sell. And the pip count would be, I think it was like 30 something pips. Oh no, 50 something pips. All the way down here, 78. But the sale never happened. So remember in the beginning of the clips, I was saying, hey, well, if price break this golden zone, then we can look to enter. Now it basically just took off though. And this is how you know that this was a money area. Okay, rewind the video if you forgot how I got this golden zone up here. But this is how you know that you are spot on. When you see a big engulfing candle push through the area that you marked up, that you deem to be like relevant, all right? So that's how you know. Now, check this out. So you go to the 4 hour and you can see price is exhausted up here. All right, so you have to take that into account for your next move. See, I'm already thinking about 1 to 2 steps ahead already. Okay, so what do you do from here? This is part of the reason why I started this Forex series, because I want you guys to be able to say, okay, I did the trade, I made some money, what do I do next? And over these, I guess the month of August, as I continue this series, you're going to see how we piece this stuff together, all right? And I haven't forgot about GBP USD swing trade. We're going to look at that on the next episode, all right? So we're going to just put this all together. You're going to really see. All right, so look at the 4 hour chart. So if you're looking to buy, this is terrible. This is a bad idea. Now the entry point was go down to the 15-minute chart. That's where I like to enter at. And you can see, let's rewind this. This is a live chart, by the way. Let's rewind this to about right here. And I mean, I'm watching this thing in New York session like for the longest. And literally, like this thing is not moving at all. So here we go. There's that one. We're not doing anything there. Nothing was happening. Nothing was happening. And boom. I'm saying this candle took off. So it started to the downside, and basically you got this wick. All right. It acted like it wanted to sell, and it did not. It stopped at this 50 moving average, and it just left you this big wick rejection. So right around here, so that sell is gone, so we can move that. But right around here, when you saw that wick rejection and you saw price moving, and it's basically closing above these, this was your breakout buy. If you're not a breakout trader, then you wouldn't have grabbed that. You want to look at the currency heat wave, and for gold, you want to look at CHF. You want to look at CHF for gold. Some people look at AUD, the Australian dollar, but I'm telling you, CHF is really good when looking at gold. And then obviously the US dollar. You want to use the currency heat wave as price was breaking out. Now, if you're a retest trader, well, you didn't get nothing. Retest traders didn't get nothing. And that's just the way it goes. That's just the way it goes. And here we are in a live market. So that's just the way it goes sometimes. That's why I want you guys to eventually be good at both. What I like to do is be ready both ways. I'm not going to lie to you. I don't like to trade with a bias. I like to be ready both ways. To me, that's the best way to trade. If you're sitting here thinking that it's going to sell, you got it set up and you think it's going to sell and it doesn't, then your mind is so set for the sell that you miss the whole buy opportunity. So be ready both ways. Now, here we go here. We got a little bit of divergence happening, but this is only on the scalping time frame, 15-minute chart. So I don't expect this to really be much. Really, to be honest with you, all I can see is just pulling out a Fibonacci. And there we go, back to our golden zone level. So this is nothing. We need to wait and see what this thing does in the next few days. Because we're in the middle of nowhere. This thing can go either way. All right. People can think that this is going to be bullish because you got this big bullish move with a little bit of consolidation and continue up to the upside. Well, no, we don't know that. And based on the 4-hour chart, you know, we see a pullback coming. All right, so you can go from low to high. All right, and price hasn't broke the 23.6 yet. You can see it right here. Price haven't broke this 23.6 line yet, so I'm not expecting anything to happen yet. When price break this 23.6, then we can start looking for price to start moving down and sitting around between 38.2 and 50% level. All right, once price break that 23.6, this is where we're looking at, because I'm looking at where structure is. All right, so we're still waiting on that. Price just broke above that golden zone, and I wanted to track it for you all the way, guys. So hopefully, you know, you got an understanding of this. If not, rewatch the video and understand how I got these golden zones. So guys, watch episode 3 if you want that GBP USD 100 pip swing trade move. All right, these are not just videos, you know, just teaching you how to do a certain thing. All right, these are actually trades I'm calling. They're not scalp trades because you don't get the video in time. But any swing trade opportunity I get, I will show you. So hey, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.